new HAC chiming clock stopped last night. It took me a while to find out what was wrong. It would go for a while, then the balance wheel would just gradually swing less and less, and it would stop. It would just grind to a halt. But I noticed if I slackened the screws of the platform lever escapement, it would go. It seems that if the platform was hard against the back plate to the movement, it would stop the clock, but if it was out by a fraction of a millimeter, it would work. So I've put 4 washers under the platform where the screws are and tightened it up, and now it's working. Strange. Oh well, hopefully it will continue to work now.